Hello there, this is me Ashish Verma welcoming to all of you on my YouTube channel Ashish Engineering. Since you all know I'm working with L&T Construction. From couple of weeks I was getting many queries on my YouTube channel. Those were regarding L&T Construction. As we all know, L&T Construction has done campus hiring for 2021 and there are many lucky students out there and they have qualified L&T Construction campus hiring this year and now they are waiting for their offer letters. So the queries were related to their accommodation at site, their accommodation at offices, their joinings, when they are going to get their joinings, their fooding at site or their fooding at BU head, right? And their growth in L&T and what is the life cycle in L&T if they are working in L&T Construction. So everything I'll be putting in this video, and what you have to do, you have to be with me from beginning till the end and you'll be getting all the information, each and every information I'll be putting here. Since I'm working in L&T Construction and I think I'm the better person to explain each and everything, and I'm going to clarify each and every doubt of yours. Alright, so now let's talk about your joining. In first week of July you'll be getting your joinings and you have to reach to Chennai office. Why Chennai office? You'll be asking sir, why Chennai office? Chennai office is the head office of L&T Construction. Mostly for all freshers, the joining are being done in Chennai office only. For reaching there, you have to pay your own tickets price, and when you reach there, everything will be paid by L&T Construction. You'll be getting a lavish hotel. It will be a 5-star or 4-star hotel. You'll be getting a good food, and then you'll be getting a chance to interact with each and every personality of L&T Construction. Even CEO of L&T Construction, Ashish Verma, will be reaching there, and he will be interacting with you. He'll be telling the past couple of years stories, how L&T has been grown, and why it is the best construction company all over the India and throughout the world. It is spreading with a high speed. All right, and your document verification. So after your document verification, you have to open an account, and that account will be opened by L&T Construction itself. It will be in ICICI or HDFC. What you have to do is you have to fill an application and you have to submit it there, and within 2 days you'll be getting your account open, and then your salary will be credited to that account itself. All right. And after that you'll be getting your pre-book tickets. If you are lucky, if your joinings will be to the cluster offices, you have to report to cluster offices. It might be Chennai cluster office, it might be Mumbai, it might be Delhi, it might be Calcutta, right? Then you'll be lucky, you'll be in cities and you'll be working at offices. If you are unlucky, you will be going to sites, and there you have to reach. Your tickets will be booked by L&T, and then you have to report there with new project managers, and then there will be some minor formalities, and then you'll be so now let's talk about accommodation. I won't be talking much about BU offices, because if your posting is in BU offices, your accommodation will be great. Now let's talk about the accommodation of site. If you are posted at site, then your accommodation will depend upon many factors. It will depend upon your project manager. It will depend upon your cost value of the project. It will also depend upon the location of the project. If your location is nearby cities, your accommodation will be in city. If your project location is bit far away from cities, your accommodation might be in small towns or sometimes at site itself, right? So that will be depending upon project to project. But accommodation will be good. You'll be getting AC, you'll be getting cooler, you'll be getting good rooms, apartments, flats, each and everything will be there. Your washing machine will be there, your TV will be there, your fridge will be there. It will be for all person, not for a single person. That ACs will be different for different flats, for different rooms. All right, now you can see one AC behind me. It is also being provided by L&T Construction. So accommodation will be good, great. So don't worry about accommodation. L&T will take care of each and everything other than your work. You have to put your effort. Now let's talk about your fooding facility at L&T Construction. The fooding facility will be provided by L&T Construction itself. There will be one mess for each apartment, and the mesh member will be accommodated by L&T Construction. In each and every side project there will be one admin team. They will take care of about fooding and lodging. And what you have to do is you have to pay amount for your food, because it depends upon staff to staff, because there are many staff members, they prefer good food, and usually we all prefer good food because we work. Then if we are not eating healthy food, there is nothing other than our healthy body, right? So we can pay for that, and mostly for month you'll be paying around 3,500 4,000, and you'll be getting a lavish food, nice food that you can eat and you can be healthy. All right, so your fooding will be taken care by admin team. at your project site. You have to pay just your amount. Now let's talk about your life cycle in L&T construction. The most precious question in this video, in this particular video. The life cycle in L&T, it will depend upon project to project. If you are posted at offices, your working timing will be from 8 to 5. If you are posted at site, your working timing will be 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And it will also vary from project manager to project manager, project site to project site. All right. So we can't say anything. We can't say about timing. The morning timing will be fixed, but the night timing we can't predict. Anytime it can change. Sometimes it can be 7 p.m. Sometimes it can be 11 p.m. So it depends upon situation to situation, because we are working in construction industry. There we plan each and everything. We pre-plan the whole project, but sometimes situations don't go as per the plan. Then we have to change the plan and we have to finish the work, because there is a time foundation. We have to finish the work on time. Then the timing will be changed. So if this is happening each and every day, it might be hectic. So don't worry, because in your induction, in your beginning interaction, when you'll be joining to L&T construction, when you'll be reporting to Chennai cluster office, you'll be given an introduction about your timing. The higher authorities, they will inform you that you have to work from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. at sites, right? So it's quite hectic, but if you are not having any goals other than L&T, you can have a good life, you can enjoy time, and you can be in L&T. L&T is good company, no doubt. L&T is one of the best construction company. You can grow here and you can learn as much as you can. It depends upon you, because you'll be interacting with many great people, many great talents. Those are coming from different part of India. So yeah, L&T is good for the work. The timing will vary from project to project, and yeah, it's okay if you are lucky to work, if you are interested in work. Now let's talk about your growth in L&T construction. The most precious question of this video, your growth in L&T construction. Your growth is totally depends upon you. There are many factors that you can take care. If you are working at site, you have to take care of your relationship with people, your relationship with your project manager, your relationship with your superior, who is your immediate superior, right? And you have to work with the team. You have to cooperate with each and every person, and you have to take care of each and everything, and you have to finish the work in time. All right. If you are good at all these two factors, you can have a good growth. If you are ready to work, just put your efforts, put your all efforts and bring out the results, because you will be allotted some work or some works, and you have to finish that work with proper finish touch. And yes, you'll be getting a high salary, a high growth within 10 years of your career. You can be a project manager of 1,000 crore or 1,500 crore project, and you're heading that project as a project director or as a project manager, and there'll be a team working under you. So you have to take care of each and everything. So work hard and your growth will be leaps and bounds. Within a years you will grow. So L&T is a private company. There is one rating process. If you are good at all these things that I have informed from beginning, you can have a good growth. You can have a good rating. Your rating will be given by your project manager at different sites, and that rating will be forwarded to BU offices. And from BU, your reputation will start. Your reputation building process will start. And yes, within a time period, you might called for BU offices. You can sit there, you can lead the team, and you can help to grow L&T as one of the best construction company. So I think I have given all the information that were being asked in different videos of mine, and I think you'll be happy after watching this wonderful video of mine. And yes, one request to all of you, if you are new in this channel and if you are enjoying the content that I'm putting over here, just like and subscribe, share, and do hit that bell icon button so you can get all the notification related to my channel. So bye bye, have a great future, all the best.